Ever wondered why the cat and the dog, two of our most beloved pets, don't usually get along? Well, there's a charming little tale that might just answer that question. Settle in, and let's journey back to a time when animals could talk, and remarkable friendships blossomed between the unlikeliest of creatures. In a peaceful town lived a cat named Whiskers and a dog named Rover. Whiskers, with his sleek, shiny fur and sharp, curious eyes, was a sight to behold. Rover, on the other hand, was a fluffy, energetic bundle of joy, always ready to wag his tail and play fetch. Their lives intersected when they found themselves adopted by the same loving family. Initially, Whiskers and Rover didn't quite know what to make of each other. Whiskers was aloof and enjoyed his solitude, while Rover was boisterous and always seeking company. One sunny afternoon, a butterfly fluttered into their yard. Rover, with his playful nature, decided to chase it. In his excitement, he accidentally bumped into Whiskers, who was peacefully napping under the apple tree. Startled and annoyed, Whiskers hissed at Rover, who simply wagged his tail in response. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Whiskers and Rover had their share of misunderstandings, but they also shared moments of joy and camaraderie. They played together, ate together, and even slept next to each other on cold winter nights. Then came a day when Whiskers found himself in trouble. A mean, streetwise tomcat had cornered him, and Whiskers was too scared to fight back. Just when it seemed like Whiskers was in for a tough time, Rover dashed to his rescue. With a protective growl, Rover scared off the tomcat, saving Whiskers from harm. From then on, Whiskers and Rover became the best of friends. They understood that despite their differences, they could rely on each other in times of need. So, why do cats and dogs not usually get along? This charming tale doesn't really answer that question, does it? Well, it's not supposed to. Because the true moral of this story is that friendship is not defined by who we are, or how different we may be from each other. True friendship is about standing up for each other, understanding each other's differences, and celebrating those differences. In a world that often emphasizes our differences more than our similarities, the tale of Whiskers and Rover serves as a timely reminder. It tells us that it's okay to be different, to be unique, because at the end of the day, it's our differences that make us who we are. And who knows, our biggest differences might just turn out to be our greatest strengths. In the end, it's all about understanding, acceptance, and love. And that, dear listeners, is the essence of true friendship.